teach you how to change handle of the intelligent hoist. First of all, power off the intelligent hoist. Unscrew the fastening screw in the protective sleeve of the wire rope at the top of the handle. Then unscrew the handle and cable interface. Then release the cable retainer. Unscrew slotted headless screws placed horizontally. Remove the handle. Put the wire rope protective sleeve on top of the new handle. Then put the wire rope hook into. Insert slotted headless screws transversely and tighten. Then tighten the fastening screws in the wire rope protective sleeve. Dock the cable connector with the interface on the right side of the handle. Pay attention to the internal pins of the interface. Insert and tighten after alignment. Finally, screw the cable retainer back to the handle. In this way, the replacement of the handle has been completed.